Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to hide photo on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right and then head over to your profile. Now go to the photos section and here if you have posted any photo, head over there and tap on the three dots icon on the top right and go to edit post privacy. Now as you can see, it is set to only me. So if you want to hide photos, you have to set your privacy to only me. Otherwise you can't hide your photos. And this only me well, this only me thing means this photo of yours is can only be seen by you and no other person or any friends on your Facebook. So once you do it, please tap on save and your privacy is set and your photo is hidden. So yeah, this is how you can hide your photos on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.